Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll try to replicate basically the setup of the game called Elden Ring, which came out I think 1 month ago, and it's quite popular right now. So in this video I'll try to replicate the actual setup to make it look like some kind of Elden Ringy. So without further ado, let's start with going to your web browser, and here I have some links which will be also linked in video description down below. So first of all, we will change the cursor on our system. So here I just went to explore the best cursors art on DeviantArt, and here I selected the most recent category. And here we have this really nice cursor, which is VS Cursor 12.0. And if you haven't already, make sure that you are registered on DeviantArt, and then we simply click here download arrow to get this cursor pack, and we can also replace it. And once you got the file, you have here the zip file. You can extract it by clicking here extract all, and then click extract. And once you are in this extracted folder, then you will go here to the cursors and preview folder, and here we have the folder itself, which contains all of these cursor files. And here we have the install file, so right click on it, click show more options, and then click install right here, click open, click yes to the admin prompt, and this should install cursor. So as you can see, nothing changed. Go to the cursor settings, so change the mouse pointer display or speed, click on that, and then you have here pointer section, and then we have the scheme, so we will select the VS Cursor 12.0, which we just installed. Click apply, click yes, and click OK, and I think it looks just beautiful. So we completed with the cursor. Right now we can add the widget on our system. So we have here the skin for the Rainmeter, so make sure that you have Rainmeter installed. And here we have the Jack score, which is basically the hub for all of his skins. So to get the file, you will go here in GitHub, click on the releases tab, and here we have the Rainmeter skin itself. So click on that to get the file, then you will go to the downloads folder and double left click on the jackscore.rm skin file, and then install it with this Rainmeter skin installer. And here just select your language. I will just pick English, and click continue. You can also enable hardware acceleration, which makes Rainmeter and Jack score run faster. So here click continue, and as well here click finish installation, and here is the actual hub for his skins. Here you will go to the widgets and select the modular clocks widget, and then you can get the widget by clicking this arrow right here. So to know that the installation of the actual widget was successful, you can simply see this, that you are on the latest version of this specific widget. So we successfully installed that. So to activate the skin, on the bottom left, click activate the skin. And right now we can go through customizations. So if you want to, you can go to the appearance or to the general tab, where you can select the clock style and all of the themes. So for this tutorial, I'll just pick the theme which came by default. So this is this one at the bottom right. So here is the white version of this one. So if you go to the appearance, we can easily scale it or change the font or date even. So I'll only change the color, a render color, so to make it a little bit yellow. So here I'll select the yellow color and click OK. However, if you want to, you can also easily add the color, shadow, or blur to this widget. So I think this is it for the widget. It looks quite nice right here on the desktop. So right now let's move on to the dock. So I really like the rocket dock. So here we can just go to the punklabs.com and we can scroll down a bit and get the file from here. However, with this dock, we can also use some icons. So here I chose this Fluent icon pack as well as on DeviantArt, and it's made by Safehouse CT. And just click here the arrow to get the icon pack. And then we meet here in Downloads folder once again. And here click the Rocket Dock installer. Click yes on the admin prompt. Click OK. Click next. Click I accept the agreement. Click next. And we can also override the actual installation. Click next, and this should install the Rocket Dock. And once we have Rocket Dock installed, we can actually launch it. So go to the All Apps section on your Windows machine and scroll down a bit till you find Rocket Dock and click here rocketdock.exe. And as you can see here, we have the Rocket Dock up and running. And for the icons, the same is basically the same. In the Downloads folder, you have here the RAR file. Right click on it. And here you will make sure that you have WinRAR installed, of course. And you can click here, extract here. So this should extract the two folders. So one is the PNG, one is icon. So I will choose right here PNG, and all these are the icons for our Rocket Dock. So to add the item to your dock, as you can see here, we have the question mark, which are the settings for the dock. So we can easily change the icon for that as well. So right click on it, click icon settings. And then you will here add the folder which contains the previously downloaded icons. So here I will choose the matching icon for the settings, so which is this one, settings. Click OK, and here we have the settings icon in our dock. So to add the actual item, for example Steam, we can also add Steam. So right click on your icon, and then we can also add item, and we can here add file. So we can add file. So for example, we can here search for the Steam. So go to your local disk C. And I think the Steam is saved in program files x86. So maybe it's here. Yeah, of course it is. Go to the Steam, and then we have here Steam. Select open, and right now, as you can see, it's running Steam, of course. And to change the icon to match the previous icon that we set, right click on it, click on the icon settings, click here to the Downloads folder and scroll down to see Steam icon. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the Steam icon, and I think it looks beautiful. So to actually change the, let's say, size of the icons or the position of the dock, simply go to the settings, go to the position, and here you select this screen position, but I prefer it to the left. And of course, if you go to the icons, I believe, here you can select the size of the icon. So we can set it, for example, to the 50, and it would be a lot smaller. So this is it for the dock. I think it looks beautiful. However, we can still change the wallpaper. So to change the wallpaper, I think it is appropriate to use the live wallpaper from Wallpaper engine. I think it's only $4.99 or $3.99 on Steam. I think it's completely worth it. So go to the Wallpaper engine, and here you should have the workshop tab. And here you can search for the Elden Ring. And here I simply chose this one, Elden Ring 4K, which I think it's beautiful. And it's only 11 megabytes, as you can see. So here you will see that we have here the widget on the right. Here we have the dock. However, we still need to hide our taskbar. So to hide the taskbar, right click on the taskbar settings, and then go to the scroll down a bit, and taskbar behaviors, and click here to automatically hide the taskbar, and this should do the trick. So this is our complete transformation of Windows operating system to look like kinda the Elden Ring theme. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and join the family, and also like this video to help out the YouTube algorithm. And with all that being said, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.